Avenue, Gradebook. View a student's user report. To access the Gradebook, click on the Grades link in the course navigation menu. The default Grader report opens. You will notice that each student has an action menu icon next to their name in the Grader report. Click on this icon to open the menu of options. You can choose Single View for this user or User Report. Click on Single View for this user. In the Single View for this user, you can see all the grades for activities the student has completed in the course. Note that there is a Search Users box where you can search for students by name or email address, and a sticky footer where you can move between students in this view. To edit the grades and activate the Save button in the sticky footer, turn on Edit mode by clicking on the toggle in the Avenue banner. To return to the normal view, turn off Edit mode. There is also the option to change from Single View for this user to Individual Grade Items instead. Click on the Grade Items button. Use the drop-down menu to select a grade item. Here you can see all the students' grades for that grade item. You can use the drop-down menu or the sticky footer to navigate to other activities. Click on the Single View drop-down menu to return to the main Grader report. Please note, you can also access the Single View or the User Report view with the Grader Report drop-down menu. To go directly to a specific student's user report, click on the Action menu icon beside their name and choose User Report. The student's user report is displayed. Note that there is a Search Users box where you can search for students by name or email address, and a sticky footer where you can move between students in this view. Click on the User Report drop-down menu to return to the main Grader report.